Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about preparation of alkanes. First method is Sabatier-Sendent reaction. In this reaction, unsaturated hydrocarbons can be converted into saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons can be converted into saturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Nothing but alkenes and alkynes. Both comes under unsaturated hydrocarbons. Coming to the reaction, alkene, I am taking alkene. Alkene upon reaction with a hydrogen gas in the presence of reagents, reducing reagents, you will get alkane. Reagents what we use for the reduction of alkene is hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel or palladium or platinum or ruthenium or rhodium. So any one of this metal can be used to reduce the alkene into alkane, and we can also use one more reagent, that is diborane B2H6 in the presence of tetrahydrofuran. So this can also be used to reduce alkene into alkane. Next, here coming to the alkenes. Alkenes are two types. One is aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic and aromatic. So coming to reactivity. So reactivity of aliphatic alkenes are more reactive than aromatic alkenes. Next, aliphatic alkenes are two types. One is less substituted alkene and more substituted alkene. In these two, so less substituted alkene is the more reactive. Here I'll give one structure. So here one alkene, second alkene and third alkene. Arrange the alkenes in decreasing order of their reactivity. Here first, according to this, aliphatic alkenes are more reactive than aromatic alkene. That means, so these alkenes are more reactive than aromatic alkene. So 1 and 3 are reactive than second one. Next, less substituted alkene is more reactive than more substituted alkene. So this alkene is more reactive than this alkene. Why? Because it has only one substitution, but this one is having two substitutions. So one is more reactive than third one, then third one is more reactive than second one. Next, examples for alkenes. You can get CH2 double bond CH2 upon reduction with hydrogen gas in the presence of any one of the reagent, you will get CH3 single bond CH3. Next, if you take alkyne CH triple bond CH, treat it with hydrogen gas in the presence of the any one of the reagent, you will get first alkene. You will get upon further reduction, you will get alkane. We can also prepare alkanes from cycloalkanes also. Cycloalkanes. So cycloalkanes such as cyclopropane, cyclobutane and cyclopentane. If you use hydrogen gas with any one of that reagent, you will get CH3 CH2 CH3N propane. Then next, upon reaction with hydrogen gas in the presence of the reagent, so you will get N-butane CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Next, for cyclopentane also, upon reduction you will get 5-membered carbon compound N-pentane CH2 CH2 CH3. Here one more thing you have to remember, that So we have to use for nickel, we have to use the temperature up to 200 degrees centigrade. For the remaining, that is palladium, platinum, for there is no need of high temperature. At 25 degrees centigrade only the reaction can be taken place. This should be remembered. And by using this method we cannot prepare methane. Why? Because we are using two carbon containing compounds for the preparation of alkanes. Coming to the mechanism of Sabatier-Sentence reaction. First, metallic surface can absorb the hydrogen gas. Metallic surface absorb the hydrogen gas. Upon the metallic surface, the hydrogen atoms can be bonded to the metallic surface by broken down of homolytic cleavage of the hydrogen. So there will be formation of nascent hydrogens. Then next, these two hydrogens can be transferred onto the alkene molecule, that is double bonded molecule, so that the pi bond can broken down into homolytic cleavage. Pi bond can broken down with the help of homolytic cleavage. There is formation of radicals. So to that radicals, these two hydrogens can be transferred as a radicals. So finally you will get alkane. So this is the simple mechanism of Sabatier-Sentence reaction.